What if this goes wrong? Ooh, that's some nervous laugh.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video we have a guest in the house and his name is TWYSE116. So guys, in today's video I have 3 cards with me with 3 different colors written on it. So TWYSE is going to pick one color and that's what we'll be doing on his hair. So let me shuffle it.
How many cards are you shuffling?
3, just 3. Don't worry. So yeah, I have them above your head. You just have to pick one.
How is it? Is it like 1, 2, 3, left, middle?
Yeah, left, middle, and right.
Okay, middle, sweet, in the middle.
Oh, okay, guys, he picked blue. So we'll be dyeing his hair blue today.
Hey, do I have to dye it blue?
Yes. That was the color you picked. So sorry.
Okay.
So in today's video, I have to change his hair to white before taking it down to blue, because we can't change the hair to blue from black. We have to change it to white. So these are the products I'll be using. So I'll be using my Chenyi bleaching powder and developer in 20 volume and my mixing bowl. Now I'm going to put 3 scoops of my bleaching powder into my mixing bowl. After that, I will pour developer into it and mix. I can't wait to see your blue.
Ooh, that's some nervous laugh, bro. What if this goes wrong?
It can't go wrong, don't worry.
But what if?
It can't, don't worry, trust me.
But what is that going to happen to my hair if I don't?
So first of all, I'm going to put this tool around your neck. Okay. So guys, I'll be applying my bleach and developer on his head now. So I'm going to start from where there's much air.
That pain, but it's worth it. I like the outcome. Barber.
So after applying the bleach to this part of the hair, I'm going to apply the bleach to the front hair also. So now I'm going to cover his head with a shower cap so he can get enough heat. So we'll cover it up for 20 minutes and we'll come back and see what it looks like. So it's 20 minutes now and we're about to check what it looks like. So now we are going to go and rinse it. So after washing out the bleach, this is what it looks like. We haven't gotten white color. So I'm going to apply the bleach again for the second time. So after washing for the second time, we still have some brown patches around it, so I'm just going to put in bleach to go through it. So after washing the hair for the last time, we are going to be using our purple shampoo. Now after applying the purple shampoo, we are going to wash immediately. So after washing the hair with the purple shampoo, I'll be adding my keratin milk. Now after applying the keratin milk on the hair, I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, then wash out. So guys, now that we've gotten the white color, so I'm going to be applying my adult dye in sky blue. I'm going to mix it with my conditioner. So for this new process, I will be using adult dye in sky blue. Firstly, I will pour a conditioner into my mixing bowl and I add the adult dye and mix it. So now I'll be applying the adult in sky blue with the conditioner to the hair.
Hey, bro, bro, police is gonna arrest me. Guys, low key, like I almost kiss myself. I want to call myself. Guys, I'm sorry if I go on. If you see me this blue outside, don't say hi twice. This brother twice. I'm on that level right now.
Guys, after applying the blue dye to the hair, we are going to leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, then we'll rinse it out. So guys, we couldn't show the result after rinsing because we shot very late at night. Now after the haircut, I then apply the adult dye again, and this is the final result. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.